prices surge on OPEC Plus's surprise output cut, and a new merger creates Abu Dhabi's largest ever staff accommodation firm. You're watching The Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Farrage. Oil prices surged today after Saudi and other OPEC Plus producers announced a surprise round of output cuts. The 1.16 million barrel per day reduction means oil markets could see around 1% of global supply curtailed from May. It's a potentially ominous sign for global inflation, just days after a slowdown in U.S. price data had boosted market optimism. Goldman Sachs lifted its forecast for Brent to $95 a barrel by the end of the year and to $100 for 2024. Adhere Group has completed the merger of KEZAD Communities with Eskan Al Jamae, creating an entity with an equity value of $1.9 billion. The merger has created Abu Dhabi's largest integrated staff accommodation company. Adhere Group retains a 52% controlling majority stake. The transaction was conducted through an equity share swap with no cash exchange. The merger was first announced in December last year. It will be fully consolidated in Adhere Group financials for Q1 2023. Turkey's annual inflation rate slowed to 50.5% in March, down from 55.2% in February, led by a drop in the cost of energy imports. Turkey's inflation slowed for a fifth consecutive month from a high of more than 85%. But analysts warn that consumer prices may start rising again unless Turkey radically alters its economic policies. President Erdogan has tried to fight inflation by cutting interest rates, the opposite approach taken by central banks in other countries. The bank created by the UBS acquisition of Credit Suisse will reportedly cut its workforce by 20 to 30%. Swiss media reports claim management is considering cutting between 25,000 and 36,000 jobs worldwide. Last month, UBS bought Credit Suisse for $3.2 billion in a deal arranged by the Swiss government, the central bank, and the market regulator. But the merger has raised concerns over the size of a new bank with $1.6 trillion in assets and more than 120,000 staff globally. Let's take a look now at today's Forbes Real-Time Billionaires ranking. It tracks the daily ups and downs of the world's richest people. Not much movement today. Our biggest loser is Gautam Adani, down $1.4 billion with net wealth of $43 billion. Our second biggest loser today is EV battery billionaire Robin Zeng, down $608 million with net wealth of $33.3 billion. And our third place loser is bottled water mogul Zhong Shanshan, down $585 million with net wealth of $67.3 billion. Check out our website and our social media for all of the latest billionaires news. Tesla posted record quarterly vehicle deliveries, but quarter-on-quarter sales growth was modest despite price cuts. Rising competition and a bleak economic outlook weighed on the EV business. Tesla delivered 422,875 vehicles for the first 3 months of this year, up 4% from the previous quarter. This was 36% higher than a year ago. In January, Elon Musk said Tesla could deliver 2 million vehicles this year, up 52% from 2022. In January, Tesla slashed prices globally by as much as 20%. And staying with Musk, the New York Times says it won't pay for Twitter's verified checkmark status. It made the comments a few hours after losing its verified badge. Twitter's new policy stipulates that verified checkmarks are now offered only through a paid subscription. Organizations will be charged $1,000 a month for gold checkmarks, while individuals can get blue checks for $7. I'm Ramia Farrage. This is The Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.